today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make kinky curly clip-ins using only one pack of regular cheap bulk hair that you can get online or at your local beauty supply store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, like welcome back to my channel.
Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just
After I posted this tutorial on my channel showing you guys how to make kinky curly clip-ins using straws and only one pack of Straight Kanekalon hair that I bought for $2.80, one of my subscribers called Sabrina Gordon said, I would love to try this, but in my country they banned the use of plastics including straws, so is there an alternative? And another subscriber called Precious just said, please make clip-ins using kinky curly bulk hair. And as a matter of fact, this entire hair right here was made using only one pack of kinky curly bulk hair, which also means that I didn't have to curl my hair with straws or anything whatsoever. The hair I'll be using for this tutorial is from Janet Collection, and this is their Expression Kinky Crush Bulk Hair in color 1B. And because this hair is value packed, I'm going to be giving you guys a value packed tutorial. So for our base, I'm going to be using wool, and I'm going to wrap it around the legs of my chair 4 times, and that should be perfect.
okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you and stop worrying about things.
So to ensure that you get the foundation right, you want to make sure that you use a small piece of hair at a time instead of using, large chunks of hair. Secondly, this hair is short, so do not bend it in the middle unless this is the length you're going for. So now that I've shown you guys how to do it and how not to do it, let's just jump right into our tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is take out a small piece of hair, bend it about an inch below the straight part of the bulk hair, and place it behind your wool. Once you've done that, make a loop with the hair placed behind the wool. Pull the other part of the hair through the loop until it is tight and secure.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more.
Cut off the straight hair, and that's all. I'm going to give you guys a close-up view and repeat the same process about 2 more times and proceed to the next part. Meanwhile, if you made it through to this part and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss any other game-changing tutorials from me. So now I'm done with that, and I'm going to go ahead and spread the hair evenly on the wool to avoid it being too bulky. And as you can see, because I didn't bend the hair in the middle, the length is perfect. So this piece right here is from the clip-ins that I used in my how to install clip-ins tutorial. This right here cost about $300 and it turned out to be absolute trash. As a matter of fact, this is what inspired me to recreate my very own DIY clip-ins using Kanekalon hair so that my beautiful sisters all over the world can slay and rock their natural hair on a budget without breaking the bank. So the weft I'll be using for demonstration purposes to recreate our DIY clip-ins is 4 inches wide and has 2 clips. So now I'm just going to go back to our hair, measure 4 inches and put a mark of demarcation from the rest of the hair. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and also tie down the ends of the wool so that our looped hair doesn't come off. And if you're wondering, from this line I made 2 wefts. This part right here is the game-changing part, and I still can't get enough of how this single step changes everything. So for this step, I'm just going to use a flat iron to melt the base of the weft. And not only is this going to make sure that you're able to sew or glue down your clips, girl, it is going to make sure that your hair does not unravel no matter what. As you can see, the base of our weft has been molded completely, which also means that we are now ready to attach our clips. So because we are lazy, I'm just going to go ahead and glue down my clips using super glue. I did this and none of the clips came off at any point in time. However, for those of you who don't want to use super glue for reasons best known to you, please feel free to go ahead and sew down all your clips, one by one to your wefts. But as for me, I ain't got that time, baby. So now our clippings are ready, and this whole process took me about 2 hours from start to finish. In all, I did a total of 8 wefts, with the longest weft being 10 inches wide and the shortest weft being 4 inches wide. I had 2 10 inches wefts with 5 clips, 2 9 inches wefts with 4 clips, 2 7 inches wefts with 3 clips, and 2 4 inches wefts with 2 clips. Meanwhile, if you found this tutorial helpful so far and you want to say thank you to your girl, please make sure you watch all the ads that displayed before, during and after this tutorial so that your girl will get paid by YouTube at the end of the month. That's the best way of saying, Loveth, I love you and you've inspired me. So to make sure that our scalp remains super moisturized under a protective style, I'm going to go ahead and apply this DIY oil to my hair. And I'm going to be using this applicator bottle that I bought sometime last year on AliExpress for about $1.70. I'm going to be using 20 ml of almond oil, 20 ml of black Jamaican castor oil, and I'm also going to be using 2 new products from Janet collection. The first product is the Esha Rosaroma Therapy Organic Essential Oil Blend. This oil is so good and I've listed some of the benefits. It promotes skin and hair health. It reduces breakage and excess shedding. For those of you who have like problems with your skin like scars and stretch marks, get this oil and you'll be glad you did. I'm also going to be using the leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is very good, for heat protection. It also hydrates and penetrates your hair shaft. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this oil to my hair and massage it in, and I'm also going to go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner. So it's time to install the hair. And if you watched my first DIY clipping tutorial, I had braids, like I had cornrows going all the way to the back, and then I had my leave out area. So I decided that I was going to do this hairstyle without cornrows so that those of you who don't know how to cornrow your hair, will not be left out. So if you want to see how to install this hair with cornrows, make sure you watch my first DIY tutorial. For the purpose of clarity, I'm going to go ahead and list the order of how I installed the clipping, starting from the back of my head until I got to the front in the description box, so make sure you check it out. To install the hair, you want to figure out what length will fit perfectly on a particular section of your head, and then you want to go ahead and place your wefts in that section and close the clips. So the reason why I decided to use this particular brand of bulk hair is because they have so many color options. I know there are companies that have like clippings, synthetic clippings for like $20 and the rest, but these companies have limited color options. So regardless of whatever color your hair is, there's always a hair color to match your hair perfectly. So if you wanted a color that's really vibrant, like something pink or purple or something orange, this particular brand of hair has all those colors available. Plus this hair is really soft and does not tangle. Clip-ins are a quick and versatile way of switching up your hairstyle without being a professional. Like, there are so many styles you can do with clip-ins compared to like crochet braids. You can do a low ponytail, a high bun, and I also love the fact that you can use them again and again, anytime, any day. So to blend my leave out with my clip-ins, I'm just going to apply my Eco Styler gel to my part, and for my edges, I'm going to be using She's Bomb Goo mixed with a little bit of my Eco Styler gel as well. And this is just going to make sure that the hair isn't flaky. Like, if you don't know what I mean, make sure you check my first DIY clipping tutorial and you understand why I am mixing my Eco Styler gel with my She's Bomb Goo. And trust me guys, this is going to give you an insane hold. Like, your edges are going to be on fleek for like 2-3 days, and I kid you not. Let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. You know how to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural. My hair is completely dry apart from this spot right here, so I'm going to go ahead and use a damp washcloth to kind of like make it disappear. And guys, that's all. This right here is one pack of bulk hair, and this hair was so full. And for the fact that bulk hair is really inexpensive, has been pre-curled, you don't have to bother about using straws and all of that. I am just so happy. So now that we're done with that, it's time for our bedtime routine. For the first option, I'm going to be using this satin bonnet that I got from my local beauty supply store in Nigeria, and I'm just going to kind of like fold my hair, wear that, and that's all. For option 2, I'm going to be using this good old silk hair wrap that I bought on AliExpress since 2018. This head scarf cost about $1.90. Over the years, I've been buying almost all my hair accessories from AliExpress, my hair clips, my wig combs, and all of that. So I went ahead and did the video of all the hair products that I've gotten on AliExpress. So make sure you check it out. For a third option, if you're someone who doesn't like going to bed, with anything on your head, feel free to take off your clip-ins, put them in a wig hanger, and you'll be good to go. I've also been getting so many requests on where I got my nails from. Guys, I got these nails on AliExpress for about $1 and some change. I also went ahead to film a video on how I install my nails, so I'm also going to put that in the description box as well, so you guys can stop harassing me on Instagram. Once again, this hair is from Kinky Collection, and if you can't find this hair, feel free to use any other bulk hair that you have at home. If you have any hairstyle you'd like me to recreate, please make sure you leave your requests in the comment section. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel if you're not, and turn on your notifications. Please make sure you share this tutorial with your friends, with your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.